Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about my Templeton Elementary STEM bus field experience that took place on April 14th, 2022. Before I get into it, basically what this was me and about five other IU students um, went to Templeton to work with the fifth and sixth graders on a STEM activity that they had planned. And this was for the class W200 Computers and Education. So the first question is, how did I provide help to the teacher and or the students? Describe how you helped facilitate the learning of students. Well, I provided help to the teacher by passing out supplies, worksheets, and controlling the slideshow. After she went over the instructions, I was assigned to a group or a table so that I was able to assist the students while the teacher walked around the room. I helped the students by challenging their knowledge and helping them figure out what the best way to design their windmill was. How did I contribute to, or how did I use technology in my teaching, and how did it contribute to my teaching and students' learning? What would I change if I was to teach the same content in the future? Well, first off, I didn't really do too much teaching as I was more there for assistance and basically just aid. Uh, However, the teacher that was teaching the activity and lesson used an Epic QR code that the students scanned with their iPads. This code took them to books and on windmills so that they could see pictures and examples before starting the project. These examples helped the students to visualize what they needed to start their first trial. Uh, if I was to change the lesson, I would probably make the initial directions shorter because it seemed like most groups didn't have enough time to get through multiple trials. I felt like most groups got through like maybe two on average and then three at max. Maybe one group got four trials. But I feel like if most of the groups got 5 to 6 trials or maybe even four, that it would increase like their understanding and critical thinking, and it'll be more beneficial if they have more trials because it ultimately what each trial is. They just get more experience failing and then trying to think of how to improve, which I think that's great for the mind and it's great for especially younger kids. Gets them used to like trial and error. But with only being able to do two or three trials, I felt like they didn't really get to grasp everything that they could have. What did I do well? I thought I did well at helping my group and other students understand what the best method might be for their windmill. Basically, just guiding them in the right direction. Uh, I also thought I was able to help the adults who were in the room pretty well too. Basically, by just doing my part, and if an adult asked me to do something, I didn't hesitate. I did it right on the spot. Um, Basically, just allowing them to monitor the other students and know that they're not going to be messing around when if I'm in the group working with them. Lastly, I felt like I did a great job trying to keep most of my students engaged. I mean, there's always going to be that one or two students that don't feel like doing anything, but I felt like I was able to get two or three of my 4 to 5 students engaged for the whole time, which I consider that being pretty effective for my first time. What did I struggle with? My biggest struggle from this experience was keeping this one student in my group on task. He really didn't want to participate much, despite how many times I tried to encourage him to do so. However, in his defense, though, there were two kids that were overpowering the group by doing all the work. Um, Despite me trying to get the two kids doing all the work to let the others like participate more, it didn't work that well. These two kids were just moving way too fast for the other kids to keep up, and uh, the other kids also really didn't seem to want to participate, which is unfortunate. How will I improve for next time? Next time, I will make sure to contact the instructor ahead of time to get the plan of the activity so that I'm more prepared. Going into this, I wasn't informed about what we were doing prior to getting there, which made it a little difficult because we had to improv and basically just when we got there, we were told what we were going to be doing. So I feel like if I had maybe like if I had known what we were going to do in class, I could have spent like 15 to 30 minutes preparing so that like I can help the students better. But uh, it is what it is, and I still enjoyed it, the activity. And also, I would improve by figuring out different ways to get kids to participate in group activities. Um, However, this is something that can be difficult, but I think through time and more time with the like students, working with students will help me to improve on that. What did I learn, and how will this contribute to my own professional identity as a teacher? I learned that it is really hard to get students to participate when you feel like you don't have any authority over them. I went into there not knowing a single kid, and I feel like they looked at me more as a friend rather than a like respected teacher. Granted, I was only there for 2 hours because my ride had to leave early, but uh, there's nothing wrong with being like seen as a friend, especially like I'm 19 and a freshman in college. I'm not that much older than these sixth graders, but I still feel like it would if I was like respected more or like treated as more of an adult that like kids would be more willing to participate in the activity. But it's okay though. Like this will only get easier and better for me in the future, and I will definitely improve on that too. This will contribute to my future identity as a teacher because I will have to use STEM activities later on. I was also able to gain experience working with kids, which is always very beneficial. And yeah, uh, anytime working with kids, and especially in STEM activities, you just gain more experience. Which, the more experience, the more the more benefits it has for you. But overall, I really enjoyed this experience, and it was nice to be able to finally work with students outside of like just learning about different ways to teach in like college. But so yeah, I'm grateful for this opportunity, and this experience was very beneficial for me.